Make a great choice today with the 2024 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, fog lights, trip computer, clock, outside temperature gauge, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.